Aloha and welcome to Oahu as Indiana State today gets set to take on the Colorado Buffaloes out of the Pac-12. The Sycamores come into the ball game today at 6-3 overall on the season, coming off a loss against TCU their last time out. Colorado comes into this game today at 8-1 as they're riding high. They have won 6 in a row. Their only loss this season, a 70-64 defeat at San Diego. To Rickman. Rickman in the low post. Rickman works it into the lane. A left-handed shot. Banked too strong. Rebound Tyreek Key. Back out to Williams. Christian Williams, a jumper for 3 on the mark, and it's 3-0 ISU. Picks up his dribble to Rickman. Off to Neese. Jumper for 3. Good. Cooper Neese drills a 3. He right corner Neese. Another jumper. Good again for 3. Back-to-back from Cooper Neese. Barnes, right wing with a dribble. Barnes drives it in the lane, sets up Holston for 3. Good, and it's 31-22. 7 of 9 from deep is Indiana State, and they lead by 9. It's it inside to Bay, goes up, and Rickman rejects it. What a block by Rickman. It's a rebound. Barnes in transition. Barnes a long 3. Yes, sir! 4th of the first half from Jordan Barnes. He knew he could get a 2-for-1, and he let it fly in transition.
We make more effort plays, take away their transition baskets, and don't give them second shot. Ball game's us. Okay? So it's going to take tremendous effort for 20 minutes. Okay? Handle the adversity. Welcome it. That's going to make us stronger as we go along. They make their run, we get stronger. Okay?
Hughes inbounds it to Barnes. Jordan Barnes breaks the pressure. Gets into the lane, a jumper. Good for 2 from Barnes. 52-44 ISU. Wright works on the right wing. Inside to Bay. Shot rims in, and it's 52-50. Colorado as close as they've been since the first half. 2-point ISU lead. Barnes gets to the paint. A fadeaway is short. Rebounded by the Buffalo. Schwartz had it knocked away, stolen by Barnes. Numbers for Indiana State. Williams to the rim. Good, a foul. Chance at a 3-point play for Christian Williams. Williams top of the circle. 12 to shoot. Williams has it top of the key. Starts to drive. Gives to Neese. 6 to shoot. Neese drives it, spins, a fadeaway is good. Tough shot by Cooper Neese. 66-62. Drives it. Right. Gets it into the lane. Bounces on the perimeter. A jumper for 3. Good out of the corner by Gatling. Timeout Buffaloes. Top of the circle. Williams with the dribble. Top of the key. Williams drives it. Williams spins in the lane. Shot. Rims off. Tipped in by Key. 68-65 Indiana State. Right top of the key. Right there with it. Right off a screen. Drives it. Right. Forced it up and a foul called and a chance at a 3-point play. 80% free throw shooter. He missed. Rebound Indiana State's Christian Williams. Shot clock is off. He throws it ahead to Key. Right to the basket. A layup is good. 70-67 Sycamores. Right wing with a dribble. Right. Looking. Hits Gatling for 3. It's short. Rebound Indiana State's Neese. Foul on Colorado. That'll do it. Indiana State wins 72-67 over Colorado.
That's not a sign that the key's in the preparation. All right. For one, you followed the game plan terrifically. You're the harder working team. All right. And then Belch calls the last play, and JB didn't give it up to him. That's the team I've been expecting right there. Big plays on down the line. Everybody, huge contributions.
Say that there. Family on 3. 1, 2, 3.